Hola amigos, bienvenidos a la clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I know all of you are doing well, right? So let's start today's class. Today, as we have already learned verbo ser and we have already learned usage of verbo ser, today let's make some sentences with verbo ser. So empecemos, let's start. Okay, so as we have already learned pronome sujeto and we know that in Spanish verbs will change according to subject wise. Means in verbo comer, in verbo ser, we have seen that verbs will keep changing according to subject wise. First person singular, second person singular, like this way, like yo soy, tú eres, él es, like this way. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we will make sentences with each of those pronome sujetos. So let's start. First, what is our first person singular number in Spanish? Yo, right? Yo means I. So, make some sentences with yo. Por ejemplo, it will be yo soy estudiante. Yo soy estudiante. Here is another important thing. As we have already known that verbs will keep changing according to subject wise. So, if we can say that yo soy estudiante means I'm student, or we can also say that soy estudiante. Okay, as we know that we will use soy for first person singular number, so it is obvious that when we are using soy estudiante, the meaning will be I am a student. Here we can use yo or we can't use yo. Okay, either we can use or it's up to you. If you want to use yo, it is correct. If you don't want to use yo, it is also correct. Okay, so it is optional. We can use yo, or if you don't want to use yo, it is also correct. Okay, so the sentence will be yo soy estudiante or soy estudiante. Both are correct. Understood? Okay. Here another most important thing. Last day we have learned that I've given an example that soy alta. Do you remember that? Soy alta? And the meaning is I'm tall. Right? Do you remember that? And here we can also use yo soy alta. Okay. And as I have told that yo soy alta or soy alta, both are correct. Okay, up to you, whatever you want to use. Okay, and another most important thing, alta, we will use alta for female. Okay, for male it will be alto. Okay, yo soy alto for male, and for female it will be yo soy alta or soy alta. For me it will be soy alta. Okay, understood? Clear? Okay, so we have made sentences with first person singular, that is yo soy estudiante. Okay, now second person singular number, that is tú. What is tú? Tú is informal you, that is similar to our Bengali tui tumi and Hindi tu tum, right? So tú eres inteligente. Okay, tú eres inteligente. You are intelligent, right? You all are intelligent, I know that. Okay, so today we are going to learn some new words also. Okay, so learn it properly. So tú eres, here we are using eres. Okay, for yo it will be soy, for tú it will be eres. Tú eres inteligente. Okay, now third one is pronome sujeto. There is, for he it will be él, for she it will be ella, and for formal you it will be usted. We know that, right? So start with ella. Okay, ella is simpática, means she is nice, she is pleasant, like this. Now change it to él. Él S. Here also we are using S. Okay, for third person singular it will be S, as we know, right? Él es simpático. Okay, for ella, simpática. For él, it will be simpático. Okay, again OA formula, right? We have done this in last year, right? OA for amigo, amiga, like this. Okay, now for usted. Usted also it will be S, right? Usted es profesor. Okay, usted es profesor. Here also we are using S. Okay, what is usted? Usted is formal you, means in Bengali apni, in Hindi it will be aap. Okay, similar to our Bengali Hindi, apni or aap. Okay, usted, formal you. Usted es profesor. Okay, now it's time for first person plural. What is that? That is nosotros, or in short form we can use nos. Okay, nosotros somos amigos. Nosotros somos amigos. Here we will use somos. Okay, nosotros somos amigos. We are friends, right? We are friends, right? Now second person plural. Okay, second person plural, vosotros. Vosotros sois de España. Vosotros sois de España. Vosotros sois de España means you, in plural form, you are from Spain. Okay, then it's time for third person plural. Here also for L, in plural form it will be ellos. Okay, for ella it will be ellas, and for usted it will be ustedes. Okay, I know you all remember all these things. Okay, so let's make some sentence with ellos. Ellos son hermanos, and if we turn it to ellas, it will be ellas son hermanas. Here, did you notice that for both we are using son? Okay, ellos son hermanos, ellas son hermanas. Okay, means they. In plural form of he we will use ellos, plural form of she we will use ellas. Okay, for ustedes it will be ustedes son extranjeros. Extranjero means foreigners. Okay, ustedes son extranjeros, they are foreigners. Okay, understood? So we have learned some new words over here, like inteligente, that is intelligent, simpática means nice or very pleasant, and simpático for male. Okay, and professor we all know that, and extranjeros, that is also a new word, and the meaning is foreigners. Okay, so pues eso es todo. So we have learned some last frases con verbo ser. See, so I hope you can make small sentences with that, because we have learned lots of things, so it will be easier for you to make small sentences. Okay, so try to make small sentences, practice it. Adiós, hasta la vista, cuídate.